Ready for some fun? Hey guys, let's open surprises! Wow, these surprises are so cute! Look, we even have the unicorn squad! Yeah, let's open the unicorn surprise first! Pink ball. This ball opens up in 4 parts. Sparkling comb and fluffy stickers. Oh wow, we have here shoes plus accessories. Oh, what's this? Oh, so cool! I love the fluffy cotton candy slime. This slime is a lot of fun. I love playing with this slime. And it's pink. She even has a bubble gum and the shoes. Super cute unicorn. Here's the new Zuru 5 surprise for boys. Blue ball with 5 surprises. This is the sticky octopus. Look, I have a new hat. Woohoo! Here we have, it looks like an aircraft. Warm. This is a robot. Wow! A transforming robot. This is cool. And the yucky toilet. Oh, I love opening surprises. Frozen Chew Kinder Joy. Yummy Kinder chocolate. 1 spoon for the chocolate. And the frozen toy. This is Olaf. Here you just build this little Olaf. He's so cute. And look at all the snowgies with him. With this part, you can trace snowflakes. Let's take a look at the flyer. Here's the new Zuru 5 for girls. Surprise! have this adorable little keychain. It's all sparkling and fluffy. Unicorn hair clip. Wow, this is cute. Orange marker. Colorful stickers. One more surprise. Oh, it's an ice cream cone. And you can place it somewhere. Let's place it on the slide. Cool. And now it's time to open the candy dispenser from Paw Patrol. This is Sky. She's squishy. Squishy Sky. Let's add the candy. Yummy. Sky is also a keychain. Keychain candy dispenser. Here's a poster and a collector's guide. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more toy surprise.